In a quiet neighborhood, a poor boy named Tommy discovers an old man sitting alone on a park bench, and despite having little himself, he offers his lunch to the stranger. As they talked, the old man shared stories of his youth, filling Tommy's heart with inspiration and hope, igniting a spark within him to dream bigger. That evening, Tommy sat at his desk, captivated by the stories he had heard, and he began to write down his own dreams, envisioning a brighter future for himself. Tommy gathered his friends at school to launch a community project inspired by the old man's stories, transforming his dreams into reality with the help of his peers. The project quickly gained momentum, and soon Tommy found himself leading workshops, bringing together neighbors to support those less fortunate, bridging gaps in their community. One day, the old man returned to surprise Tommy at an event, proud to see how his simple act of kindness had blossomed into a movement of compassion and change. During his speech, Tommy spoke from the heart, recounting how the old man's story inspired him, reminding everyone that even small acts of kindness can lead to monumental changes. With a gentle smile, the old man unveiled an old treasure map, sharing that it led to hidden gems of wisdom and community treasures, symbolizing the true treasure they had all found together. Excited by the prospect of adventure, Tommy and the old man rallied the neighborhood children to embark on a journey, turning the treasure map into a thrilling quest for all. As they trekked through the forest, laughter filled the air, and each step brought them closer to uncovering the hidden treasures that awaited them. Finally, after a thrilling search, Tommy unearthed a weathered chest filled with coins and trinkets, reminding them that the real treasure was the memories they created together. Gathered in a circle, they celebrated their incredible find, each child taking turns to share their favorite moments from the adventure, forging friendships that would last a lifetime. As the sun began to set, Tommy and the old man shared quiet moments of reflection, cherishing the bonds formed and the joy that kindness can bring to a community. Back at school, Tommy unveiled a new community initiative inspired by their adventure, encouraging more kids to take part in acts of kindness and exploration. The community fair flourished as everyone joined in, sharing talents and stories, demonstrating that the treasure they found reached far beyond coins and trinkets. It was about connection and unity. With confidence, Tommy addressed the crowd, emphasizing how the treasure hunt had taught them all that together they could create a brighter future for their community. Inspired by Tommy's words, community members united with shared purpose, vowing to continue their journey of friendship and support, turning their treasure into a lasting legacy. As the evening unfolded, Tommy and the old man shared stories over a potluck feast, celebrating not only their treasure, but the memories that would bind them together for years to come. Later that night, under a canopy of stars, the community sat around a flickering bonfire, weaving tales of adventures and dreams, each story deepening the bonds they had formed. With newfound inspiration, Tommy and his friends collaborated on a mural, turning their memories into a vivid masterpiece that captured the essence of their treasure hunt and the spirit of the community. At the unveiling of their mural, the community celebrated the vibrant artwork that told their story, proving that the true treasure was not just found, but created through collaboration and connection.